We're the Lip Chicks.
I'm Susan.
And I'm Winter.
And we have something new.
And
we
fun.
have so much fun. We have a giveaway.
Woo-hoo! Giveaway! We're so excited about this giveaway. It's worth over $100 worth of stuff. It's a lot of really awesome prizes. So
yeah, let's check them out.
I know, I'm so excited. Okay,
Alright, what do you got?
So I have an It Works Greens blend. All right. By the way, I have tried these and I do like it. It's yummy. And it's in the flavor berry, which is great. Okay. You just need like a little scoop with some water. It's yummy. And then we also have an It Works Greens blend in chocolate, which I love for in the morning. I mix it with my milk. It's really, really yummy. And then we also have a paparazzi necklace. It's super cute.
I like that one.
Right? It's so cute. With matching earrings.
Super cute. And I have stuff to add to it, you guys. Alright, so we have a Lipson's sand gloss, which this happens to be my favorite gloss.
I love the gloss.
Okay?
So fun.
And a Color Street nail set and French manicure. So
Super cute.
I love the Color Street. I still have my Christmas ones on.
I know.
But these, oh my gosh, these are gonna be gorgeous for the winter. And something to hold everything in.
Ooh la la.
So this is valued at over $100, right?
Yes. So we're super excited about our fun little giveaway. We would love
So super
one of you to win.
Yes, so to enter, just comment below, let us know where you're from, and say hey, because we want to hear from you.
All right, girls.